So far, you've previewed portions of the video by moving the playhead across the time ruler. Now you'll preview the entire video using the play button in the timeline panel, and then we're going to mute any audio that's unneeded from the video clips. So let's go to the beginning here, and let's play. That's some good music right there. So it looks good, but there's some unwanted background noise from the video clips. We're going to mute that extra sound. So click the small triangle at the right end of the boat ride clip. Let me do that. No, it won't matter. And we're going to go to the sound, and we're going to click mute audio, and then just click away from it. We're going to go to the dog at the beach. Same thing. Going to go to the sound, mute audio on that one as well. And now let's go back to the beginning and let's play it again to see how it sounds now. Wonderful. Question for you. To add an audio track to your video project, what do you click? Do you click the keyframe where you want the audio to start and choose Add Audio? Do you click the musical note icon in the audio track and choose Add Audio? Do you click the video track you want to add the audio to and choose Add Audio? Or are all of these correct? Correct answer is the musical note icon in the audio track and choose Add Audio. We are now going to render the timeline to a single video file. So first of all, make sure that you have saved your Photoshop file. And the reason why is you're going to submit two things to me. You're going to submit this Photoshop file because I want to be able to see all the things that you've done to it. And then when you render this, you're going to get an MP4 file and you're going to submit that as well. So, when you're ready to render the timeline to a single video file, Photoshop provides several rendering options. You'll select options appropriate for streaming video to share on the YouTube website. For information about rendering options, you can see Photoshop Help. So choose File. There's two ways. There's a little button right down here that will render, but you can also choose File and then Export and then Render Video down at the bottom. When you do that, you're going to get this little box right here. We're going to name the file. We're just going to change the word working to final with your name. So it should be a lemon final with your name. Select folder. Make sure, if you click select folder, make sure it's going to this lesson so you can find it. And then from the preset menu, we're going to click this and we want to select YouTube HD 720p 29.97. That one right there. YouTube HD 720p 29.97. And then click render. And then depending on the speed of your computer, Photoshop's going to display, it will display, mine's over here on my other monitor. There's a progress bar that shows you that it's exporting. And depending on how good of a computer you have, it may take a little longer. As this is rendering, let me ask you a question. The question is this: besides clicking the render video button, what's another way to render a video? You just did it. Was it the render video button's the only way? Is it timeline export render video? Is it video layer export render video? Or is it file export render video? Correct answer, file export render video. So now that you have saved your Photoshop file and you've also saved your, or you've exported it, let's now go to your folder where you saved it, and you should have a final MP4, and if you click that, let's play it. There you go. You have now completed Lesson 11, working with video files.